Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about zucchini, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with zucchini. So if you're looking for some meal or menu or recipe ideas on what to do with zucchini, something different, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have bacon, beans in general, beef, chicken, chickpeas, eggs, hazelnuts, pecans, pine nuts, pork, poultry, seafood, tahini, tofu, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that go well with zucchini, there's artichokes, arugula, asparagus, bell peppers, carrots, chilies, chives, eggplant, garlic, ginger, leeks, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, spinach, tomatoes, and also yellow squash. In the fruits category, we have apples, citrus fruits in general, and lemons, limes, olives, oranges, pumpkins, and raisins. In the grains and grain products category, there's breadcrumbs, bulgur, corn, couscous, millet, noodles, pasta, polenta, quinoa, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there's butter, cheese, especially cheddar cheese, feta, mozzarella, parmesan, and ricotta cheeses. And then there's coconut milk, mascarpone, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's oils, especially olive oil, sunflower, and walnut oils. And then there's tamari and vinegar, especially balsamic, champagne, red wine, sherry, and white wine vinegar. And also zucchini blossoms. Yes, they are edible and good. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.